In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tables in Notion. Whether you're organizing information, tracking projects, or managing data more efficiently, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to set up clean, are structured tables in your workspace. First, open your Notion workspace and go to the page where you want to add your table. If you're starting fresh, click on plus new page in the sidebar to create a brand new page. Alternatively, if you already have a page set up, simply open that page where you'd like the table to appear. Make sure you have the correct page open, as this will make the table setup process much smoother. Next, click on the page where you want the table and type a / to bring up Notion's block menu. From the list that appears, select Table, and you'll see options for different table types. For this tutorial, click Create Blank Table to add a fresh, empty table block directly onto your page. You'll now see your new table ready to be customized. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your cursor is in the correct spot before adding the table, and plan how many columns and rows you might need in advance. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary adjustments later. Once your table is in place, you can customize it by adding columns and rows, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and customize tables in Notion easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be looking to organize their Notion workspace. Why not make someone's day easier?